In this video, I'm going to share with you 9 ways to steal people's money, how to make money from people. They are in no particular order of ease or rate of return, so stick around and analyze all of them so you can choose which one to start with. The good thing is that you can do 3 of them at once or 4, depending on the amount of time at your disposal. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel and give this video a like to help the algorithm run to a wider audience. So let's get started. Number one is brokering. Here you have to literally know who is selling what and who wants to buy what, and then you connect the two people and get a commission from them. It can be a certain percentage. For example, in our country it is usually 10%, depending on which type of brokering you're doing. But that usually happens on land, so it ranges from a wide range of opportunities. It may be household furniture or land. And another good thing is that you can hype the price and then sell it at a higher price than that of the seller and then gain much profit from that. Yeah, that's the good thing with brokering. Number two is I used to do this during my vacation and during high school time, where you buy and sell phones to people. But unlike that, me, I used to buy and then repair them so that I can sell them at a higher price. So you buy a phone at a certain price and then repair it and sell that refurbished gadget at a higher price and gain that commission with a bigger profit margin, of course. People will be willing to buy them. Yeah. Then number three and the following, you realize that if you're observant, this is the trend where we're going. So you can pick up and start and enter the market and start doing the same and earn some good money from it. Number three is editing videos for TikTokers and YouTubers. If you have the art of editing with a PC, or you can simply use a mobile phone, if you know how to edit and make better work, people are willing to give you their money just for editing because they want to post this content and then get engagement from people, likes, comments, and the shares. So if you're good at editing, please do it and then they will give you a certain money for it. Yeah, then number four is taking digital photos. If you're good at photography and you already have a gadget, it may be a phone or a camera, depending. You can do this and sell digital photos of people and they will be giving you money. Yeah, it happened to me. I didn't do this, but it happened to me. At first I used to see it during birthdays, then during our parties when we used to go to the beach, and these people used not to come with their phones because of the worries of insecurity or whatever might happen, so they leave their phones at home. So I used to see these people, they come with their good phones and then take photos and share with you. Then what happened to me, exactly me, was on my graduation when I was working with my doctor, and then a guy approached us with his phone. It was an iPhone, and then he took photos of us and shared with us. He told us each copy was at 5k. So you can imagine the margin of profit that he made from us, because he took some good number of pictures and then he shared with us and we paid him. The good thing with this is that you determine the pricing. You yourself, it's not there in the market that this and this and this is this. No, because literally what he invested in was his time, which was less than 5 minutes, and then his phone battery. That's all. You don't have to be with a good phone like an iPhone or a Samsung, as long as you have a good camera and you can really take some really nice pictures. Some people don't know how to take the positions, the poses, so if you're good at photography, this is for you. Yeah, it's not more about the gadget but who does it. If you're good at it, then it's your take. Just do this and people will be willing to give you money. That's for real. Yeah, they are sharing gadgets. If the phones are incompatible, then you can buy a USB photo stick, or some applications from Play Store. They are there, you can share with them and they are free, so don't miss out on this. Then number 5, it's digital albums. We understand that way back people used to take hard copy albums, like they take photos and then merge them together in an album. But then we are in a generation where everything is going digital, so if you can help people and get their photos to turn into digital, they will be willing to give you money. You can add animations, edit them, and then price them. They will be willing to give you money. The good thing here is that you start very little. You can start with your relatives, close relatives, and then friends, and then focus on the returning clients, because they will be recommending you if your work is good, and they will give you the money. Number 6, this one I used to do it. It was window washing. I usually go to the neighbors and then ask them if I can clean their windows for some money. And those who were willing, I could do it, and it could take like 2 hours, 3 hours, depending. And then I price my work, and they pay me. Yeah, I started with windows of houses, then windows of cars, depending on the equipments you have. Yeah, you don't have to start big, like to have some, I don't know, high standard equipment. No. You can start at what you can afford and do good work, and people will give you their money. People pay for quality. Yeah. Then number 7, this one I found a guy when I was a freshman at university, and what he could do, he could go and print out lecture notes of the lectures we were going to study in every course unit, and then he sells us the notes. Yeah, the bad thing here is that he sold us even the notes we didn't need. Yeah, but if you're good, just sell the notes to the students. You'll be willing to pay. Yeah, because sometimes it's hard to look for notes. Okay, for our case, the lecturers could leave the notes at a certain station, so you go, they print out, you buy. But if you can't, you can literally do it yourself. Yeah, in my high school there was a girl, for her she used to sell us sweets, and she could sell them twice as much as he bought them. So imagine that profit, almost 200%. Yeah, it's about stealing people's money. Do your thing and people will come for you. Yeah. Then number 8, this is about building and selling the social media accounts. Yeah, this is where the trend is going. Almost every company wants to market digitally. Even individuals want to brand themselves. So if you have the ability and the art to grow social media accounts, please do and sell them and get a commission from them. Yeah, the good thing with these hacks is that you can do one, like you can do more than one at once. Yeah, because they take little time, just an ad. Then another one that comes with this will be managing accounts. There are people who don't have time, so if you have the art and manage their accounts very well, they will be willing to give you money. Yeah, there's a wide range of accounts of social media, like Twitter, but that's the hardest to grow. Then there's Instagram, there's TikTok, there's YouTube. I mean, there are lots of social medias out there, and the client is right next to you. Yeah, you just have to talk to them, present what you have, and then negotiate. You have to be with good negotiation skills and get what you want. Then another thing that comes with is that even if you don't get the client, you can do affiliate marketing. Yeah, if you don't get a client that buys, at least you can get that one who wants to promote their commodity on your account. So you can do affiliate marketing and earn a commission from the company's sales. Then number 9, this one would be tutoring, or some people call it coaching. Like you coach these littles from their school during holidays. Like you be a tutor to them and teach them the subjects that you are good at. It may be music, it may be art, it may be chemistry, mathematics, and then praise your work. The service you render, it's upon you to say that I'm working these days in a week and I'm working these hours per day, and they will be willing to give you money. Yeah, this is something that you don't need to inject in money. It's just your brain and the art of delivering the service. Can the person understand what you're teaching them? If yes, then you're good. Focus on the returning viewers, on the returning clients. Like if someone sees your work and appreciates, and then he comes back another day, then that's where you should focus and treat him better. Like they should be coming over and over and over, because strangers, it won't be a sustainable business idea if you're just focusing on strangers. You should focus on the returning clients. Another thing that I would say is that some of them you may say, these things really need some good capital. How do I start a window washing idea? I will need lots of commodities. I would say that you can start by borrowing them, or to put it right, like hire them, use them and earn the commission, and then return the equipment to the owner. Yeah, as simple as that, and then start earning a little by little. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe so that you can get more videos from this channel. See you next time. Bye.